Welcome back, adventure enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor gear with a spotlight on the Helly Hansen men's legendary insulated pants. If you are someone who craves both style and functionality on your outdoor escapades, these pants might just be your next must-have addition. Join us as we dissect these pants from Helly Hansen and see if they truly lives up to the legendary status. The first thing that strikes you about the Helly Hansen legendary insulated pants is their impeccable design. Crafted with the brand's signature attention to detail, this pants boasts a modern and sleek silhouette that seamlessly combines style with utility. The construction is robust, utilizing high-quality materials that promise durability in the face of harsh weather conditions and rugged terrain. Whether you are skiing down powdery slopes or trekking through a winter wonderland, these pants are designed to keep up with your adventurous spirit. When it comes to battling the cold, the legendary insulated pants truly shine. Packed with advanced insulation technology, these pants offer exceptional warmth without compromising on mobility. The carefully placed insulation zones ensure that your lower body stays toasty even in freezing temperatures. The pants effectively trap body heat while allowing moisture to escape, keeping you comfortable during high-intensity activities. Say goodbye to shivering on frosty days. These pants have got you covered. Mother Nature can be unpredictable, but with the legendary insulated pants, you are ready for whatever she throws your way. These pants feature Helly Tech performance fabric known for its superior waterproof and windproof capabilities. Seam-sealed construction and water-repellent treatments ensure that you remain dry even in wet conditions. So whether you are caught in a sudden rainstorm or maneuvering through knee-deep snow, you can trust these pants to keep you cozy and dry. Helly Hansen understands the importance of practicality in outdoor gear, and these pants are a testament to that. Equipped with thoughtful features like adjustable waistbands, reinforced cuffs, and strategically placed pockets, these pants are designed to enhance your outdoor experience. The articulated knees provide excellent freedom of movement, making them suitable for a wide range of activities from skiing or snowboarding to hiking and more. Comfort is paramount, especially during long hours spent outdoors. The legendary insulated pants offer a tailored fit that strikes the right balance between comfort and style. The adjustable waistbands allows for a customizable fit, ensuring that the pants stay snug even during dynamic movements. Additionally, the soft interior lining enhances the overall comfort, making these pants a joy to wear throughout your adventures. Elevate your outdoor experience with the Helly Hansen men's legendary insulated pants. From unparalleled warmth to timeless style, these pants are your gateway to conquering the elements in comfort and confidence. Gear up for legendary adventures today.